Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox the Ulanzi Osmo Action mic adapter holder. It's a very big name for a very small product, but it is something that's going to bring the Osmo Action up to the next level because I'll be able to add a mic, an external mic. Stay tuned to find out how. Okay, well, let's get this show started, shall we? Now, the Osmo Action mic adapter holder comes in this nice little Ziploc pouch. Has only a couple things in it. It has the actual adapter itself, and it has this little stabilizer plug that goes to the side of the Osmo Action for another device that Ulanzi does have. But I guess before the mic module came out for the Osmo Action, they tried to come up with different types of adapters. Most of them didn't work, but they hung out the side, as you can see here, and you needed this little adapter to make sure it was stable. But like I said, most of those didn't work anyway. You had to have this device, this actual adapter to make it work. So how do you put this little adapter on? Well, all you do is you just slip it on the side where the latch is, just like shown in this picture. And the cool thing about it is once it is on, you don't have to disassemble anything. The latch still works with this adapter on. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to drill holes. You don't have to get a whole new case. This is perfect for what I need.
Now, as you can see right here, there's like a little bit of a ridge on the Osmo Action. And then you have these little ridges here. All you got to do, look at where the arrow is, slide it on that way. Takes a lot of force till you hear that click, and then it's in.
Well, thank you for coming along with me to unbox the Ulanzi Osmo Action mic adapter holder right here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was a little educational for you, that you don't have to buy all new cases or all new units just to put a external microphone on your Osmo Action. You can just buy this little cheap device, and it does quite well. And it fits on there very snug, it doesn't move around. And again, it's very economical. Now again, if you like this very small type of previews or reviews, go check out my YouTube partner over in the UK called Cheap Reviews. Very funny, very informative, and I think you like them. And if you do, hit his red button. If you don't go back. Okay, but at least check them out if you could. I'll put the link down below. And I also will put a link to the Osmo Action mic adapter holder down below if you're interested, just to get you started on your search. And as always, have a great day.